Spank revision.
Hello, welcome back to some more freelance work, and we're doing some channel art for Lumpy Juice's Twitch channel. As always, I'll leave a link to his Twitch in the description if you want to go check it out. And last time we finished his panels for like social media and shit, and we turned his logo into a vectorized version. And today we're going to do a short little animation that will pop up whenever he gets followers. So we're gonna animate his character for him. So let's see what we're working with today. Okay, so here's what we're working with. We got his character. It's 200 by 200 pixels, zoomed in a little bit so it looks a little blurry. And we have all his lumps on his body separated. I'm thinking we're gonna do like, he's gonna just like jump up. That's gonna be the animation, like he's happy that someone followed or subscribed. And I'm thinking like all these lumps are gonna be like flopping around. It's gonna be really gross looking. And then we got these little bubbles here too. Oops. And these are gonna kind of float up and disappear. I think it'll be about a 2 second animation total. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. And we're gonna have to get to animating. First we'll start with the body and then we'll work to the lumps. Alright, we got the GIF done. The animation is finished. I got that done a lot quicker than I thought I would do, or thought it would be. So yeah, here he is. Here is the Lumpy Juice character jumping with joy that he got a subscriber or follower. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's goofy looking, all his little lumps bouncing around. We got the bubbles kind of disappearing up off of his body because he's like stinky or something. Yeah, let's jump in and kind of see how I did it. So here's all the layers, and essentially what I did was, here's his main body layer underneath all the lumps, and I made that the parent layer to all of the lumps. So all I had to do for the jumping was animate the actual body shape, and then I used puppet pins on the legs, and what those are just they're little points that you can manipulate and it'll kind of warp the image. So I had to just make it look like he was jumping, you know, like that whole where's the energy traveling type of deal. And then I kind of waved his hands around like he's flailing. I love how his face moves too. But yeah, so then after the jump was done, I had to just animate the lumps, and I just kind of copied I only had to animate the up and down motion of them, and I just kind of offset it off the jump a little bit to look like all that fat was being moved kinetically. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. And then that'll just loop as long as he wants it to. It's about a second long whenever he gets a subscriber. The bubbles were a little tough. They didn't come out exactly how I wanted, but I still think it looks pretty good. Oh, I still gotta do the shadow too. So yeah, we will fix up the shadow and then we'll bring it into Photoshop and turn it into a GIF to send Lumpy Juice. Okay, there it is. And I just found out the media encoder can export GIFs, so I'm stupid for not knowing that. But yeah, here is the finalized GIF. I fucking love it. This was a lot of fun to do. I just really like how it looks like he's throwing his weight around with the lumps. It took forever to rig it to animate, but I'm glad I did it. So yeah, we're gonna send this over. Let me know what you guys think about Lumpy Juice. Go check out his channel so you can see this in action. And then next episode, we'll get through the emotes and what else do we gotta do? Oh, we'll probably do the banner in the next episode too. And then we're gonna be pretty much done. We got a couple more things left to do. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.